I love my office, but I think some of the stuff in it, I'm over it. I think the biggest thing that might not work really well is where the desk is going to be by the windows, but I'm also thinking that it might be nice to have sun on my desk. I can have my desktop in between the windows so it's not being directly shone on by the sun. So I don't know how this is all going to work and if this is a bad idea. I have an itch to move some furniture around and see if I can make it a little bit more functional. The biggest eyesore for me right now is my TV. I like filming this way. I get natural light this way and I love the wallpaper behind me. I think it looks really cute. I think the TV is such an eyesore. Move my TV to the blank wall behind me. I think that might look nicer. I really hope this is a good idea because if not, I'm gonna have to move so much furniture for no reason and put it back in place. But I'm also gonna take this opportunity to sort of clean and declutter and maybe organize a little bit more. It's a Monday. Hopefully this won't take me more than a couple of hours. I'll have a great mindset for the rest of the week. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna be so upset that I spent so much time doing this, but let's get started. I'm gonna organize the stuff, make it look better, take the Christmas tree out of the way. The pumpkins don't need to be there anymore. It's spring, and then maybe I'm even gonna move this little dresser unit over to the other wall, make this area a little bit different, nicer, cleaner. I have no idea. That door goes into our bedroom, so it's a little bit dysfunctional. I don't need the door at all. So I feel like this unit works really well in this space. Maybe we'll play around and see if it looks better somewhere else. Look at all this room for activities. So much room for yoga. Sybil, do you like it? Look at how cute my little curtains are. Desk, not minding it so much there. However, I need to figure out light, the 2 printers, my nail stuff. I think I might even put this light where the TV is now. I guess the next step is to put the TV on this wall with all of my freaking plugs. It's gonna be nice to be able to cover those up with the TV console. Oh my god, I'm nervous actually. I hope this is gonna go well. This hurts for you to see my TV and my console being manhandled like this. I'm sorry. In defense, this TV was $300, so it's not a lot of money if it breaks. But it's not gonna break. I know it's not gonna break. I'm just letting you know. This is the way I live my life and do my thing without care. I'm stuck. A bunch of space in the middle of the room. My room looks so much bigger. That's interesting. Guess I didn't think about that. I need to go eat food. I haven't eaten today. A vacuum cleaner. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I don't know. I'll eat this and then we'll keep going. I am over shooting in 4K because you can't really see the big picture, so we're shooting in HD. It's fine, it's fine. I want you to be able to see everything. Monster. Look at how much room there is. What do I do with all this room? I'm gonna clean this, organize it a little bit, and see where we go from there. Sybil, you like the box?
Crazy baby.
That's crazy.
Mixing it up. I can throw a nice spoon. Look at Sybil in the box.
I know, Sybil's in a box.
It's so funny.
She has all this space.
And she's like,
I like the box. Nice. The next area we can focus on is probably just this corner. It's kind of sad that I can't shoot this wide in 4K because I bought this lens because I loved how wide it was. So maybe I'll start shooting in HD from now on. Oh, Sumpy. Sumpy, you be throwing yourself. Spaceport. Dirty. Okay. Oh, that's where it went. Yeah. I wasn't filming. I'd take my clothes off. because this is a good idea. Genius idea. We're gonna put the printer in here. This one. We're gonna put it in there. I just broke my chair. Wow, shit, dog. Well, I guess there was no chair to be had. Oh, come on, is that not genius? Does anybody else see that shit? Simo, do you see it? Simo, do you see it? Now we're looking at this godforsaken corner. That's really not that bad, but is it that good though? Who knows? I just don't need this in here now because I don't want to hold my printer up. I do also feel like somebody who doesn't know how to design, putting everything to like a corner, at the end of the day it has to be functional. So that's what's up, that's what's up. This is not necessary, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay. Go around the bottom and then give it a little bow. That's so cute. Okay, I love it. Coquette. Like a Victorian child of a dress up. Oh my god, it's so cute. So next up, I think I'm gonna take this card and put it next to my desk. But I want to reorganize it. At this moment, it's kind of a catch-all, as you can see. And I want to make it like functional. Candy, it's always important to have candy. I'm so tired. Look at this. Shooting in 1080 and having the frame actually be wide is so nice. Maybe for my sketching videos, I'll be drawing in 4K, and then maybe for my filming videos, I'll record in HD so I can have my background. What do you think of my whole transformation for my room? Do you think it's cool? I think this is gonna be so much nicer for filming because I love my background and I didn't want it to just be plain white background, but now I can just have my TV on a plain wall. I want to maybe paint a mural on it at some point, and obviously me changing my office's layout doesn't mean I'm never gonna be able to change it back again, but I'm really happy I did a little bit of a clean. Daylight savings just happened, so it's light out later, which is really nice, and I'm feeling like energized to keep creating. I love a refresh. I've worked hard to make the background look cute, so I'm so excited that it looks nice. I liked filming in the window, the lighting was really good, but I was always filming on the ground. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I am excited to post more. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.